In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix and sharpen old and blurry images using Adobe Photoshop. Our goal is to restore clarity and enhance the details of your photos with the help of Photoshop's powerful toolkit. We'll explore some effective techniques using various filters and adjustments that will breathe new life into those faded memories. To kick things off, you'll want to make sure you have your image ready in Photoshop. Once you have your image open, the first important step is to duplicate your layer. This is crucial because it allows us to work in a non-destructive manner. You can easily do this by right-clicking on your layer and selecting Duplicate Layer, or simply using the shortcut Ctrl+CMD+J. Now, with a backup in place, we'll start editing. One of the most recommended methods for sharpening in Photoshop is the Smart Sharpen filter. Navigate to Filter, then Sharpen, and finally Smart Sharpen. This filter gives us a lot of control over the sharpening process. Start by setting the amount to a high value, like 100%, while keeping the radius fairly low, around 0.5 to 1.0 pixels. These settings can be adjusted according to your image needs. Additionally, you'll have options to remove specific types of blur, such as Gaussian blur, lens blur, or motion blur. Choose according to the blur type you're dealing with. Using the more refined option can help you get even more accurate results. If you notice any noise creeping into your image due to sharpening, do consider noise reduction techniques to keep it looking natural. If you're looking for an alternative sharpening method, the high pass filter is a solid choice. You can find this under Filter, then Other, and High Pass. Adjust the radius setting to bring edges and finer details into focus. To complete this method, change the layer's blend mode to Linear Light or Overlay, which will add sharpness to your image. If needed, group this layer and add a mask to selectively apply the sharpness. This gives you flexibility to enhance only certain parts of the image. For blurriness caused by camera shake, Photoshop's Shake Reduction filter is a lifesaver. Found under Filter, Sharpen, and then Shake Reduction, this tool will automatically analyze and attempt to correct the blurring from camera movement. As you work, make sure you zoom in on specific areas to fine-tune sharpness and make additional adjustments as needed. Sometimes minor imperfections or artifacts may occur, especially in older photos. The spot healing brush or clone stamp tool can be especially helpful here to clean things up. Use layer masks creatively to apply your sharpening effects only to the areas that need it the most, ensuring the final result looks natural and cohesive. And there you have it. With these techniques, your old and blurry images should now appear sharper, allowing you to enjoy them in greater detail and clarity. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.